Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. So today I'm going to take on that viral butterfly wing nail art, and we're just going to hop right into it. As you can see here, I'm showing you that I already put on my peel off base by Macart. So that's why my nails are shining. I don't do much nail prep because I am going to be popping these off soon. So if you are like me and you just want to wear your nails just for a short period of time, make sure to put this peel off base on and do very minimum like nail prep, like adding dehydrator or primer, because those are meant to make your set last. And if you don't want them to stay on for a long time, make sure to go in with the peel off base. The type of nail glue I will be using today is from Tipex, like always. I really like it, so if it's not broke, I'm not going to change it. So we're going to go right in with placing what I think is a good amount of glue for my nail bed. We're going to place it right on my nail, and you see I only want it to flow right to the free edge of my nail, and then I'm going to go in and flash cure. When you hear the term flash cure, that means we're just curing it just to set it, but it's not fully cured. So we might cure it for 10 to 15 seconds, but you will see me go in at the end and still do a full cure according to the packaging instructions. So for this is 60 to I think 90 or 120 seconds. So I did a full 120-second cure after placing all of these gel tips on. Now the tips I did get from Nail Couture, and it's the medium almond sculpted gel tip. Another thing that I wanted to mention is when you're watching my videos, I don't always show me curing between each layer, but I do cure between each layer. Okay, so now we got everything fully cured and all the nails are applied, and we need to go into shaping. So I'm going to shape very lightly, and as you can see here, I had a little bit of spillage, so we're going to clean up that spillage around the cuticle, and I will hop back on here shortly. We're all done with shaping, filing, and buffing, and we're going to go in with the Macart's base gel. I always like to go in with the base gel because it just smooths out all the ridges that we put on the nail with filing, and sometimes buffing, you won't get all the ridges out, and that base coat goes in, it fills those little dips and nooks and crannies, and then it gives the nail a smooth surface for your gel polish to go on, which is one of the steps of getting a nice flawless gel polish application. I am going in with a very thin layer. These are not thick layers I'm doing, it's going to be very thin layers. So there's a nail supply store called 168 nail supply store here in Michigan. I believe that's considered Sterling Heights that is in, or close to Sterling Heights, but this is a brand that they carry. I cannot find this brand online or anywhere, and I think I've overheard them saying to other customers that this is the brand that they use in their nail shops, and I don't know if you can get this anywhere else, but you definitely can go on their website and try to search. This is a very, very beautiful green color, and as you can see here, I am going in with the pigment powder, that blue pigment powder, and I'm ombraying it up. Now I'm starting off with a kind of thick amount towards the tip of the nail, and as I go higher, I use less and less product to ombre it up. This is one of the ways you can do ombre if you're not good. You see me here wiping off the brush to get that excess powder off, so I can go ahead and ombre that up, and then we are going to put some gel polish over this to preserve our ombre. The gel polish we're going to use to go over our ombre is just chrome base brand, again CR, and this is going to work in two ways. It's going to lock in that pigment powder, also going to be a base for our chrome powder because we are going to chrome this nail. This chrome powder is a nice sheer iridescent type of chrome powder, and it just enhances the colors and kind of hides that line of demarcation where the ombre is. Now this is a very important step. We have to lock in that chrome now. So I'm gonna go on with this base coat, and make sure you put the base coat only where you want that chrome to be locked in. So if you get this base coat all on your fingers where that chrome is at, that's going to stay on your fingers. So make sure to be very careful to only get this base coat where you want to lock that chrome in. And now I'm going to go in with some alcohol and clean off my fingers, and you will see that chrome is going to come off my fingers because I didn't get any base coat on my skin. And the chrome that is underneath the base coat is going to stay there. And you can see how good this look and give a little glazed look. You can actually probably just wear the nails like that. So these two colors, you guys, I got from Temu. I will try to link them down below. Otherwise, that's the name of the product and that's the numbers. And it's like this glittery greenish color glitter gel, and then this blue. And I'm just want to glitter it out. And you might think that you can't really tell between the two, but you actually can in person, and you'll see me fan and ombre that out. And on top of that glitter, I'm going to go in with a shiny top coat because I want my butterfly wing to be shiny. So I'm going in with this top coat on each nail. Ooh, this is so pretty. But now we are all set to go on with the nail art. So with these butterfly wings, each finger is different because there's not two butterflies that have the same wing pattern. That's what I was taught. I don't know how true that is, but I didn't keep it like symmetrical at all. Every wing is different, and it's however my brush went. I wasn't too harsh on myself. You can sit here and watch me do the art. I just did whatever, you know, came to mind because all butterflies are beautiful no matter how you make your lines. So yeah, just freestyle it. You know, you don't have to go with how everybody else is doing their butterfly nails. So I really just freestyled this part, and I will let you guys continue to watch as I do my butterfly wing nail art. So if you made it this far in my video and you like what you see, please consider liking this video and subscribing and joining the family. I try to post at least twice a week, once on Monday at 6 and once on Friday at 6. But sometimes I throw in extra videos throughout the week, but at the very minimum you will get 2 videos twice a week from me. And to the ones that are subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you. I appreciate all the support and continue to watch. Now it's time for those white dots. You can put the white dots wherever you want, how many you want, whatever size. There's no rhyme or reason to this. I really just freestyled it all. Some places I thought I put too many dots, but I'm like, who cares? I like it. You can make your dots big, you can make your dots small. It's really up to you. You are the artist and it's what you want it to be. But this set was very fun. I am amazed how well it came out. But this was a very beautiful nail set. I was so sad when I had to take it off. All the colors were amazing, and I want you guys to tell me what you think down below. Would you wear this nail set? I did give you guys some shots outside, but this nail set came out so beautiful.